Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to build a toboggan that is scaled for LEGO minifigures for today's tutorial. Let's start with a 2x3 plate for the base. Set down a 1x2 plate right in the center and a 1x2 flat tile and a 2x2 flat tile on both sides of the 1x2 plate. Now let's slip in a 1x2 by 2x2 upwards angler plate on this side. Now take a 9 stud long string with 2 studs on the ends. I'm going to place these in the top portion of the angler plate. And what I want to do is I want to have these sticking on the outside. So it'll look something like this, like a little lasso or a rope on this side of the toboggan. And let's lock all that together with a 1x2 plate. Finally, let's finish it off with a pair of 1x1 by 1 1/3 brick with bow. This is going to finish up the front portion of the toboggan. And a 1x2 flat tile to finish off those studs. The toboggan is scaled for minifigure, so here we have Jay the Surfer. Yes, he is wearing a wetsuit while he's going to be riding on the toboggan. Set him down on the studs. And for the rope, I'm just going to set that right inside of his hands, like so. And I can just tip him back. Looks like he's going down the hill pretty fast.